Welcome back to Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. I've already started with one barrel of wood chip in this area, soon to be all full of wood chips. And the weather was supposed to be really sunny today, but it's been snowing, so I think the weatherman got it wrong again. Oh well, must crack on, so I'll show you how the chicken area is with the flooding. See that little pot there? That's what I use to prop my phone up when I'm trying to take some footage. So, looking at it, there's no flooding. That's good. I'm still going to get behind the fence and have a look if there's any blocked areas or not. But it's really good up to now. I'm impressed. Right now I'm collecting some more wood chip in the big pile of wood chip. Can you see all that steam coming off? It's already starting to compost. I must have used half of that wood chip by now. You like the flowers my dad got me? They're Primula. This is my one and only shelter from the rain, and it still leaks. Right. Can you see that steam? If you ever have cold hands or feet, that's where they need to go. Warming my feet up. Perfect. This is how much I've done. It looks good, doesn't it? I've put that little block there to stop it from coming into here for now. Just a little bit more to go. I think that, I thought it was a weed, but I think it's a root from the tree maybe. Uh-oh. Listen to them birds. Oh. Okay, so what do you YouTubers, allotment YouTubers, use for a microphone when you're not right next to the camera? Because I've tried to film when I'm not next to the camera and you cannot hardly hear me at all. So what do you use? Oh, what's this? Ooh. Da, 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 da. I've never really had a problem with them cutworms. I always just put them back in the soil. I never thought if they were good or bad. But we'll see how it goes. So, let's carry on. I put some cardboard at the edge to try, because there were still some grass roots there. I'm hoping they're not going to come back up. Now I'm just going to put the plastic down over the top of the cardboard. I'm trying to get as much done as I can before spring comes, so I'm not rushing about like I was last March when I first got the allotment. I had so much to do. I've got all the plastic on. I've put cardboard over the holes, because there was some holes, and there's cardboard under it. There wasn't that many weeds in this bit, it was just mainly around the strawberry tower. This bit the chicken's going to be in. I've got a little hole there, that's where another fence post is going to go, so I'm going to have a tiny gap between the fence and this part of the strawberry tower. And I might make a little brick edge where this bit is. Okay, so here's the big reveal. Da, 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 dum. Oh. Da, 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 dum. Look at my t-shirt. It's Dave's allotment. If you didn't watch his video, I was one of the winners who won the ladies' t-shirts. Let's crack on. When I first got there in the morning, I didn't think I was going to be able to show this t-shirt, but after an hour or so of doing this, I got hot enough and it stopped raining, so yeah, I could do it. Thank you, Dave's allotment. I was very happy when I got it. I know I didn't look happy in this video, but I was really happy inside. Thank you. I didn't expect to find this in the wood chip. I didn't realise the wood chip was still steaming. Well, that's that done. It looks alright, doesn't it? I think I'm about to have a sit down for 5 minutes and watch a little worm in the wood chip as I sit down. Again, why do I film these things? The simplest things fascinate me. The wood chip path around the strawberry tower is finished. Thanks for watching my peaceful day in the allotment. If you want to see how this allotment improves, please like and subscribe and comment, because I like to talk to you people. Here's some pictures of my t-shirt I won from Dave's allotment. I didn't make the picture the right way around because I am not an expert. Bye!